Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to increase your Afterpay spending limit. If you want a higher Afterpay spending limit, it is important to know that you cannot manually request an increase. Afterpay does not allow customer support to raise your limit. Instead, the system reviews your account automatically and decides if your spending limit should increase over time. New accounts usually start with lower spending limits. As you continue using Afterpay responsibly, your limit may gradually grow. The most important factor is your payment history. Always pay your installments on time, or even earlier if possible. A consistent record of successful payments helps build trust with the system. You should also make sure your linked debit or credit card always has enough money available for both the first payment and future scheduled payments. Failed or declined payments can affect your account standing and may slow down any future limit increases. Another good habit is to use Afterpay regularly for small, affordable purchases. Complete each payment plan successfully before making larger purchases. Responsible and consistent use is more effective than trying to spend as much as possible. Finally, avoid missing payments. Late payments can reduce your chances of receiving a higher spending limit. Keeping your account in good standing gives you the best opportunity for the system to increase your available spending over time. Thanks for watching.